How much they pay you for each job that we're doing? Was it like an annual salary? Was it like for projects they work?
For Facebook ad campaign, it's like for per client. They used to pay me in between 500 to 700 for per client.
Well, how my company works is very simple. We build a system for them and you release it in 90 days. It's very easy. We expose their revenue to like 10,000 to 3,000, let's say, or give them to 45 high quality leads. That means in there they're gonna exclude the revenue. They're gonna learn how to how their ads done, their leads done, how to sell for them. Everything is built for them. All they do, they pay us. They build a VSL in their part, and that's it. So yeah, that's my niche. My niche is a lot of manual. My offer is start at $10,000 USD. So yeah, that's the rate of this.
So when you say construction, you are helping them to get customer, or you are helping them to get worker?
Customers, contracts, specifically. That means it can be renovations for kitchens. It can be for the roofs. It can be for anything. If they get what needs they are, I give them clients.
That's perfect. That's great. So I worked on job recruitment niche in the past. I worked on construction and tree shop owners niche in the past. What I did, I actually helped the owners, the construction companies and the tree shop owners to get worker. In this sector, there has like huge demand of workers, like ground guy and then labor and then car climber and CDL driver. So what I did, I ran campaign for them and I helped them to get workers through the campaign. That's what I did in this sector. And other than that, I have experience running ad campaign real estate niche. I did that in the past, and I also did ran campaign in chiropractors, help them to get patients, and I also help experience to running campaign solar niche. Okay, so what I did basically, I did the same thing like I did in tree shop owners and construction niche. I basically help the solar companies to get worker for them. Okay, that's what I basically did. So that's my experience. So when it comes to email marketing, I've been doing email marketing for it's been more than 4 or 5 years, and I'm familiar with the various kind of tools like Klaviyo, Mailchimp, then Instantly, SmartLead, Limlist. Those are the tools I have used so far, and the reason I think that I'm a good fit because I know top to bottom everything. I know how to set up the DNS record with proper DKIM, DMARC, SPF, MX code to make sure your email deliverability. And also I can help you out with email copywriting. I have experience on that. So far I worked on SEO service, Facebook marketing ad campaign, and then I worked on website building, and I worked on job recruitment. I worked with different companies. But most of my experience in email marketing was with job recruitment agencies, solar companies, SEO services, Facebook ad campaign. I used to offer Facebook marketing and SEO services through email marketing.
You have also some experience on Google Ads?
To be honest, I do how to run the Google Ads, but I don't have any experience on Google Ads. I have experience with Facebook and Instagram ad campaign the most. And I do know how to run an ad on Google and YouTube, but I don't have enough experience in that sector.
Okay. So you were on the manual, and how was the range of you're not the industry? Private, how much they pay you for each job that we're doing? Was it like an annual salary? Was it like for projects they work?
For Facebook ad campaign, it's like for per client. They used to pay me in between 500 to 700 for per client. Okay. And for email marketing, it is like a base pay, and then if they close a deal, they will give me a commission. So for example, 500 a base pay, and then if they close a deal for 2,000, they'll give me 10% commission, like 200 extra or 100 extra. That actually varies, So base pay plus commission.
Okay. What was like the range of budget that they were giving you, like for construction companies? They would add.
For construction, the ad budget was like $30 per day. I used to spend $30 per day. That's the max.
And what was like the result that you're having with the $30 per day that eats? Maybe I have here. Let me call on your. Sending the result that you had before, right? If I'm correct. It's interesting to me.
Shared couple of screenshot. I don't remember which one you have.
I see them here.
I think I sent you the chiropractor's one, and then I shared the real estate one.
Construction, Kirkby County traffics. It's a result when reach it to the construction for current.
That's the three service companies, feed and raw and fish service. That's another one.
Okay.
And then real estate. Yeah.
Heard the results, honestly. Good job with it later part. And which area where did this company in America, Europe,
USA? My most
USA?
experience are with you in the US market. Yes.
Do you have some experience in the Canadian market?
I work for Canadian guy, but I don't run any ad campaign for Canadian guy.
Do you think you'll be able to adapt to the Canadian and learn how the Canadian market work?
I don't think that's gonna be a big deal. Once we know the process, it's not a big deal because I know how to run the ad campaign, how it basically works. So I just need to know the culture, how their
culture.
Then you can it's easy. Yeah.
Okay, so let's say you will be like build a candidate IT. How much time would it take you to adapt to the Canadian system?
It won't take me long. Maybe within week I will be able to manage myself to understand the process.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna tell you 5 words. Let's say you're taken on my team. How I work is I put every employees in their 3 months approval. How it's gonna work? That's you're gonna be with me for 2 months. Each word that we're having to receive 8 to 10%. Okay, it's 10%. The job is well done. That's been as 1,000 unit. Okay, 1,000 units yet to report. Well, that those 3 months of were passed. If you pass them, you give me the good result. We're starting the team. You're approved. You're gonna be on a base salary. Okay,
Got it.
that means you're gonna be around 3,000 to 5,000 USD.
That's perfect. Sounds
Yeah.
good.
That would be with me how it works. Because how I'm gonna work is a virtual of times. I already have 3 company of construction ready for me to jump in to work with them. I'm honestly just searching for the right people for my company because I told them, my boss and the other interviews of the other guys, the result that I give them is a sheet. And that's gonna work when you. So I'm searching like the good guys, have a good chemistry with them because we are a media buyer, copywriter, editor, it's gonna be an IT, myself and some VAs, and maybe also some sellers in team. So there's gonna be around 8 to 9 people working together to get the most result. That's why I'm searching for the right people.
Okay.
If you have something maybe you want to add on your experience or questions that you have.
I think I've shared about my experience in media buying and email marketing. May I know your website or do you guys any website?
No, right now, no. It should be done like in 2-3 days, honestly. We're gonna come a full website and open in every market. I'm always working with the marketing team to get there. Honestly, right now, I'm getting the clients like year per reference. But yeah, because before this, I had an experience in sales and I have some clients there.
That's no worries, brother. I can share the testimonials of my previous clients if you want. You can take a look at it. I can share on your message.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that would be perfect for me. So I have tomorrow until the 7th of September, have almost like 5 interviews per day with people to see who's gonna be the right fit. If it's a good or bad news, may receive a response here the 7th of September from my part. And you?
No worries, brother. Even if you think that I'm not good fit in the media buying sector, you can hire me in the email marketing sector. I do know both, and I have experience, as I mentioned, in Instantly and other tools, so I can help you out with that. I'm going to share the testimonial with you right after the meeting, okay?
Yeah, perfect. Well, thank you for your time. I wish you a good day.
Send to you, brother. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.